Hi friends, it's Udhaya from Backyard Garden Highlights. Hope you guys are doing great today. Today I'm planning to take you guys to the Walmart in New Jersey. They have loaded with the beautiful varieties of plants, annuals, shrubs and perennials. I thought it would be fun to share it with you guys what are plants that we have available in Walmart. So let's go and check it out. We have hibiscus. It's a 2-gallon hibiscus, 27.84 French cabaret. Is it perennial? Let's see. Okay, USB hardiness zone 5, which means that they are perennial. And then you have these spirea, beautiful foliage color, even though they are not significant in bloom, but when you look at, they really add light pinkish shade to the plant. Definitely these are grown for the foliage color than their blooms, but adds really wonderful in your landscape when you add it with a dark color foliage or something like the magenta color. When you add them with this lime light green, they really complement each other. And we have some of the tropical flower mandevilla, 24.94 hanging baskets. Then we have endless summer hydrangea. Let's look, it's 19.84 and it comes in 1-gallon pot. And this is what Hydrangea is endless summer. Beautiful, stunning look. And then you have all tropical varieties. And look at the price, guys. It's 5.84. I can't believe. Is it all 5.4? Let's take a look at it. No. I think it's little tricky. Maybe these are the 5.484. And this one, Calla Lily, is 19.97. Beautiful. Yeah, these are the ones 5.84. And then you have some hibiscus. Again, it's 14.88. But look at the plant, looks sad. Maybe diseased, I don't know. But this is how the blooms. Wow, so pretty. And then we have Asiatic lily doubles, 8.97. Look at the foliage color. This is beautiful. What is this? Cordyline, 5.84. Looks beautiful. And then you have some more endless summer hydrangea here. This is big leaf hydrangea, 34.74. And I think this is what? How many gallons? Maybe 3 gallons or more. But looks really stunning. And then you have bloomstruck variety, endless hydrangea, and they are 24.94. Then we have this beautiful variegated hosta, 8.97. Very nice. And we have lavender, Spanish lavender, 14.97. Then we have a lot of perennials here. Mostly they are $8.97. Look at this. These are columbine and they are aggressive self-seeder, but I really love how they look in the garden when you plant them in cluster, and even self-seeding, I think I don't mind. They are really beautiful. And then you have salvia. This is definitely one of the best plant, I would say, because deer don't eat them. Nice salvia if you're looking for deep proof plant. What is this plant? Is it perennial? Let me see. Perennial verbena. Oh, I never knew there is a perennial verbena. Maybe I can give it a try. Looks really wonderful color, right? Beautiful. And then we have Salvia again. This is another variety, but mostly this variety, at least in my garden, they bloom late. Like while all the blooms are done for the summer season, the peak season, they start to bloom. So they survive even light frost. And then we have lilies. Beautiful. And we have, what is this? I don't know what variety of lavender it is, but let's see. Spanish lavender, perennial. I thought Spanish lavender was not cold hardy, but anyway, looks pretty, isn't it? Beautiful. And then we have dianthus. Usually they call it as annuals, but now that New Jersey, most of the gardening zone is one level above, so now they are calling all this as a perennial maybe, but they are tender perennial. So I think maybe the same case with lavender, Spanish lavender. And then we have creeping plants. And alright guys, let me do a quick tour of what all the other plants we have in Walmart. I'm hoping you will enjoy watching this. Alright guys, hope you guys like watching this video. I will see you in another video. Please support my channel by subscribing, commenting and sharing it with your friends.